What is this?
This is Riot by 3 Days Grace. It's like Trent Winn's song.
The Spanger.
Animal I Have Become by Trent Wins. No, it's Riot. It's better.
Nüüd me teeme Preachereid, meil on praegu peal 30, teeme sellega mingi 8 räppi ja siis läheme 40-le. Teeme sellega sette.
Falling away from me, falling away from me. Beating me down, down into the ground. Screaming so sound. Beating me down, down into the ground.
Ja nüüd me ehitame backi.
What the Sigma?
Tai, see vennas ka proovib muscle up'i.
Me teeme rausid nüüd.
Okei. Okei, vennas. Nii. Palju me loadime? It's like one plate. It's easy. Show me what you got.
Stops all these thoughts and the pain attached to them. Sometimes I wonder why this is happening. It's like nothing I can do would distract me when I think of how I shot myself in the back again. Cause from the infinite words I can say, I put all the pain you gave to me on display, but didn't realize instead of setting it free, I took what I hated and made it a part of me. Never goes away. Never goes away. And now you become a part of me. You'll always be right here.
Finish your exercise for your, lat muscles. It's good, pullovers. It's the name of the exercise. I don't fucking know how to tell anything about this. It's like good. If you pull down, you get a good stretch. And if you do drop sets, it's very good. You get a good pump.
Sometimes these thoughts in my head speak so loud. Every little thing that I think about just builds on top of the pain and doubt. Even though I wanna just let it out, I try to act like I don't mind it. Try to keep my mouth so quiet, but sitting there in my silence just seems to amplify it.
Time for rope.
Keeping this inside would make it better. I never thought that I would end up ruining it forever, but every time I think I got everything put back together, I end up making more regrets, Falling from grace, I watch it all come apart, knowing I could have changed it all from the start. Fighting myself, I always lose. Fighting myself, I always lose. I didn't want you to think I'm worn out so easily. I wish I'd held it in so you never knew it built up inside of me. Now I don't know how it overflowed, spilled out unwillingly, but now everything that I learned to hate came out for you to see. cage, but I can't come